18. The volume of a box with the dimensions of 10 centimeters times 20 centimeters times 5 centimeters is 1,000 cubic centimeters. So 10 times 20 is 200 times 5 is 1,000, and centimeters is cubic centimeters. Write the dimensions of a different box that has the same volume but a smaller surface area. So what we're going to do is we would actually have to choose another which would have the same volume. And volume is length times width times height. Okay? So we know that it has to equal 1,000. And so we'd have to find three numbers that would equal 1,000. Since it's a 1 in zeros, we can use a 10. 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000. And therefore 10 by 10 by 10. And they wanted a smaller surface area. So if we take a look at our large one has dimensions of 10 by 20 by 5. So it's 5 high, and it is 10, and it is 20. So to figure out surface area, we're simply going to say, now this is the front, and this goes by the 5 and the 10, and we can, each line that goes this direction is a 10, each that goes this direction is a 20, and each that goes up is a 5. So if we look at the front, it's 5 by 10 or 50, and that means the back has to be 50. This side is 20 by 5, which is 100, so that means the other side also has to be 100. If we go across the top, we have 20 by 10, which is 200, which means the bottom is going to be 200. So if we add these up, 200, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700. So this has 700 square centimeters as the surface area. And if we did 10 by 10 by 10, everything is going to have 100. And so we have a front, a back, a top, and the bottom, and two sides, so that we would basically have 6 of them as 100, which would only be 600 square centimeters. So 10 by 10 by 10, and each of those would be centimeters.